Hi guys, it is 2025 and I'm super excited for this year to get started with a positive thought, with positive approach and everything into control. So basically I have not been this resolution person so far, but I have scrolled YouTube for so long, so I just wanted to, make this vision board because it is quite trendy these days. Not just going with the trend, but I think this is a great idea to start the day and start your year with. So basically, vision board is something, it's illustrative way of manifestations, I think so. Everything was planned before 2025. I have never planned my year, and I wanted this year to be properly planned and executed. So basically, my vision board includes my career, my personal growth, and my hobbies, and self care, and miscellaneous things. So, as my final exams are not too far, so I just wanted to get back to my study routine. So, I have made some study visions so that yes, I do not procrastinate and study with a full heart. After that, I have made something regarding my health, that I wanted to inculcate healthy diet in my life because I have been so, ignorant about my health, and I've never been a person who is health conscious. So as I am reaching my 20s, so I think I should inculcate this thing in my life so that I do not suffer at my late ages. So I just wanted to inculcate healthy diet and also involve physical activity because I have been sitting for long hours in my day and my body have been so stiff. So I just wanted to have a movement in my body. So physical activity is a must. And drinking detox drinks, I'll just scroll the YouTube videos and try detox drinks because it has no side effects and it is quite interesting. I feel very therapeutic also. I will try to be a morning person and wake up and not snooze my alarm button. I will just try to wake up at 5 to 6:30 a.m. and हम लोग जितना जल्दी अपना डे स्टार्ट करते हैं, we have so much we can accomplish during the day. So I hope I can make this work out. After that क्या चीज़ मैंने और इंक्लूड करी थी, हाँ, आई विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग न्यूज़ पेपर्स बिकॉज वी ऑल नो, मेरे को कुछ बोलने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है बिकॉज न्यूज़ पेपर्स में इतना कंटेंट होता है एंड यू विल ऑलवेज गेन नॉलेज एंड यू विल गेट अ ब्रीफ व्यू दैट व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. सो आई थिंक बीइंग अ, मतलब आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में हो, दिस हैबिट शुड बी, यू शुड हैव दिस हैबिट. मतलब आई हैव मेरे साथ क्या होता था, मैं पढ़ती थी न्यूज़पेपर पहले भी इन माई स्कूल डेज, बट मैं कभी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं रह पाई फॉर दैट. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू रिमेन कंसिस्टेंट विथ रीडिंग न्यूज़ पेपर्स नाउ. आई होप. ये भी सोचा है कि मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल रिसेंटली मैंने स्टार्ट किया है, तो आई थिंक इन माई ईयर एंड आई विल ग्रो माई यूट्यूब फैमिली. Fingers crossed, and I just serve the purpose of starting this channel. And जो भी मैंने vision board में बनाया, I don't know whether I will be able to execute this or not, but at least I have plans and I have the vision कि मुझे क्या achieve करना है. So I think you should also practice this and make a vision board. It's not too late now. You can also start this at day one and keep a track of your entire year and see yourself as successful and a better version of yourself at the year end. So thank you so much for listening to me and supporting me, and I love you so much, and I just pray to God, and with lots of wishes, I just hope 2025 brings lots of happiness into your life. Love you.